Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another ta-da video that I have gathered. And here's the finished item sweater. Like I said at the beginning when I started knitting this, I do not like this yarn. It was really rough to knit. I managed. The yarn was from Italy. I have a yarn unboxing. If you go into my yarn unboxing, you can see this. I bought 2 cones from Italy. It arrived. Yeah, it is 10% silk, 80% wool. It says merino, but it's wool, scratchy wool. I did wash it 3 times and blocked it, wet blocked it, and put fabric softener as well, liquid softener as well. But still, it's not bad. It's way better than the beginning how I started. I used up the 2 cones that I bought. It was over a kilogram. I did 2 ply, one with the light, one with the dark color. I do have a leftover. I haven't weighed it. I have to weigh the sweater and see, because the cones are still on the cone. And here it is on a mannequin. I am a 2X to 3 extra large. And the mannequin is a medium size, so this is an oversized sweater. It can fit anyone who likes it nice and bulky. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.